how to make Xbox profile completely private. So the very first thing that you need to do is get into your Xbox, make sure you're logged into your account. Then from there you need to click on the gear like icon and then get into the settings, right? So after getting into your settings, what we're going to do is simply select account, and then from there select the privacy and online safety. After doing that, find your security center, and then for the fourth option you would need to get into your Xbox privacy option. Like I said, simply select the privacy, and then what are we going to do is simply select your privacy option. Then from there you can start customizing your key privacy settings. Like you can set your profile privacy to like block others from seeing your activity, or you can even like restrict any of your friends, and you can even like hide game history. So after doing that, you can now simply click on confirm and apply changes, and you can review all the settings. You can select confirm and close, and that's how exactly you'll be able to make your Xbox profile completely private. So yeah, that is it. If you guys do have any further queries, please let me know in the comment section down below, and that will be it for this video.